Hi guys, you watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the lime and honey mayonnaise sauce. Lime and honey mayo. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients and let's go with that. Mayonnaise sauce. If you follow my video channel, you can find it out how to make the mayonnaise sauce. I got 3 teaspoons of honey. 2 teaspoons of lime. You can use lemon or lime, that's fine. So first of all, I'm gonna season with the salt and pepper according to your taste. Then I'm gonna add the lemon juice, and then I'm gonna add honey. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix it well. This is how you make the lime and honey mayonnaise sauce. So I'm gonna taste this now and see how it tastes like. Wow, it's really nice, guys. It's really suitable for the seafood or fish, fried fish or baked fish. You can use this one as any kind of dip you want. This is really nice. You can use it for your Christmas table, or you can eat this one with some prawns. I hope you guys enjoy cooking with that and got some tips to how to make the lemon and honey mayo. So please don't forget to subscribe me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.